Continue to watch this video if you want to see and how I made this delicious Chinese style chicken wings. I'm telling you, this recipe right here, guys, is a must try. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share this video to your families and to your friends, okay? So stay tuned, not going away. Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some chicken wings. Yes, so in my bowl right here I've got 1 pack of chicken wings. So now I'm gonna add my seasoning. So first I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of my garlic powder, and I'm also gonna add 1 teaspoon of my Chinese 5 spice and some onion salt and 1 teaspoon, some black pepper 1 teaspoon, some barbecue seasoning, and that's 1 teaspoon, and some smoked paprika 1 teaspoon. Then I'm gonna add some of my olive oil, just over 1 teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon of my dark soya sauce. Then I'm gonna take my nice clean hands and you just wanna mix it all in so everything will all combine. So now I'm gonna add some ginger, okay? I'm gonna grate some ginger to it, guys, at least 1 teaspoon, okay? The ginger just gonna add more flavor to your chicken wings. See that? You don't want to mix it all in, and you can always leave it to marinate, guys, for at least 30 minutes, okay? Yes, so that's done, and I'm telling you, it smells so good. So just before I marinate it, guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Yeah, you want to just mix it, because that cornstarch, guys, is gonna dry up all that moisture, so your chicken wings, you know, just be a bit crispy. Yes, so that's done. Perfect. So here I have my pot on my stove, guys, and to my pot I add at least 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. So now I'm gonna add my chicken wings, and I'm just gonna allow them to brown up, guys, for at least 4 minutes on each side, okay? You don't want to overfill it, that's it. So now that it is brown, I'm just going to flip it over. Look at that. That's exactly how you want it. Nicely seared. So now that it is all brown, I'm going to remove it from my pot, okay? So here I have my pot on my stove, guys, and as you can see, it is a clean pot. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some butter. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of butter, and you just want to allow it to melt, okay? So after my butter is all melt, I'm gonna add 3 cloves of finely chopped garlic and at least 1 teaspoon of ginger, okay? And you're just gonna leave it just for a few seconds. So just after a few seconds, I'm gonna add some onion. Give it a stir. So after I add my onion, now I'm gonna add just over 1/4 cup of hot water. Give it a stir. Then I'm gonna add some of my dark soya sauce. Just over a teaspoon. Some of my Chinese 5 spice. Just a 1/4 teaspoon. Some black pepper. 1 teaspoon. And I'm also gonna add just over a 1/4 cup of my honey. Give it a stir. 1 spoon of brown sugar. Some chili seed, at least 1 teaspoon. Give it a stir. I'm gonna add some more of my dark soya sauce, not a lot. That's it. And you just wanna allow it, guys, to come to a boil, okay? So now that it has come to a boil, I'm gonna add some ketchup, okay? And I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of my ketchup. So now, guys, I'm gonna add my chicken, okay? My chicken wings. I just wanna leave it, guys, for at least 10 minutes, okay? I'm telling you, it's look amazing and it smells so good. And you just want to leave it, guys, as it is, okay? I'm just gonna sprinkle some of my honey on top, like so. And you can also put a lid over it, or just off cover it, yes. So just after 4 minutes, guys, this is what it looks like. Look at that. You wanna just try and flip it. It looks super, super delicious. So guys, as I said, you just want to allow it to leave for at least 10 minutes, okay? So now I'm just gonna flip it over. Look at that. You can see the sauce is getting nice and sticky, and that's exactly how you want it. That's perfect. I'm telling you guys, it smells so good. Look at that. Super, super delicious. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some onion to it, okay? So guys, I leave it for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes what I did, I put a lid over it, okay? So now I'm just gonna remove it, because you want your chicken to cook through, okay? So now I'm gonna add some more of my onions. And some sweet pepper. Red and orange. If you have green, use green. I don't have any green one left. Look at that color, guys. This is exactly how you want it. Nice and pretty. Gonna add some parsley. And you're just gonna leave it, guys, for at least 3 minutes. Make sure you don't cover your pot, and it is finished, okay? Good to go. Look at that. I'm not gonna mix it, guys. I'm just gonna leave it as it is, okay? So now, guys, after 3 minutes, I'm gonna flip it over like so. As you can see, it is nice and sticky. Look at that. Gonna finish it off with some chili seed. And guys, you can serve it over some rice. It is nicely, nicely done. Look at that. And it is so sticky. Look at that, guys. Oh my goodness. See all that sauce? Perfect. So there you have it, guys. This is how I made my Chinese style chicken wings. I'm telling you, they came out so perfect. They taste super, super delicious. Please, guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Share it, guys, to your friends, to your families, and everyone on your social media. I will really, really appreciate it. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, wait pan, subscribe right now. It is free, and thank you. So now, as you can see, I'm just plating it all up. You can always serve it over some rice or some rice and peas. Guys, I'm telling you, rice goes so perfectly with it. If you do try this recipe, don't forget, guys, to comment below and tell me what it's like, okay? All the ingredients are in the description, so you guys can always go and check it out. Yes, because this recipe right here is a must try. So I'm just adding some parsley on top just for presentation. Guys, I thank you all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share. Please share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling no matter what, because God is always on your side. Bye guys, much love.